Ethernet is the dominant LAN technology. It's very cheap and simple. We will see that this technology has undergone several revolutions and its features have changed over time. There are two physical topologies where Ethernet can be applied. Bus topology, which was very popular during the mid-90s, where all nodes are connected to the same bus, located in the same collision domain, and collisions are possible. The other type is a star topology, where we have a switch in the center. Because a switch cannot send more than one packet at the same time on the same line, there are no longer collisions, which is a very important feature of this topology. Let's take a look at the Ethernet's frame structure. The sending adapter encapsulates an IP datagram or other network layer protocol packet inside the Ethernet frame. The Ethernet frame begins with a preamble, which is actually 7 bytes with the patterns you can see here. And this preamble is used to synchronize the receiver. In terms of the addresses, we have a source MAC and a destination MAC inside. As we said, each has 48 bytes. Once the adapter receives the frame, with the destination MAC that matches the MAC that is inside the NIC, then the same frame is received by the adapter. Another example for when the frame is received is once an ARP request is sent. In this case, all F values are written in the destination MAC, if you recall. In any other case, the adapter realized the frame is not meant for it and discards the frame. The type field is actually a network protocol. In most cases, it's an IP protocol, but it can be another network protocol as well: AppleTalk, Novell IPX, and so on. CRC is bits for error detection and correction used by the receiving side. Let's take a look at the Ethernet's primary features. First of all, it's connectionless. No handshake is required between sending and receiving partners. We're talking about 2 NICs. There is no reliability, meaning if data doesn't arrive or is dropped inside the frame, we can only reconstruct it in case we use TCP traffic level. Otherwise, the data is lost. In terms of the Ethernet's MAC protocol, as we have seen, it's CSMA-CD with a binary backoff. We have seen how it is actually being implemented.